We're gonna go to a cute little historical culture village. Pew pew. Let's keep exploring. I found my new favorite visitor. All right, first things first. Find a coffee shop, and then after that, we're gonna go to a cute little historical culture village. One that I've been going to. It's supposed to be really pretty, lots of stairs. Get a workout in it. All right, I found it, guys. I had to go all the way to the 5th floor of this random building. So we're on the 5th floor, and it's pretty cute. Look at that. It's got all these wood everywhere, books everywhere. The coffee first. It smells very nutty, almost like hazelnuts. That's coffee. That's for sure. I'm not a coffee snob. But we'll try one of these. I'm not sure what the bottom is. The bottom could be persimmon? Persimmon, maybe. Some kind of a fruit with nutmeg and cinnamon on top. We are now at Rio's Coffee Bar. I'm gonna take the stairs. So we have to go through this little food stall area. Man, there's so much street food. Guys, street food in Korea is way better than street food in America. That's a fact. I'm using street food anywhere. It's better than in America. Dang, bro. I mean, you go to Mexico, get some tacos. And over here in Korea, we're getting all kinds of fun stuff. We're gonna get a taxi. We're gonna head over. And we made it to the Gamcheon Culture. Exciting stuff. We're basically between two mountains, and they kind of just kept building it up, which is really cool. And you get to see a pretty awesome view of Busan. Wow, that wind is kicking. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I'm gonna try and find a good vantage point. Oh my goodness, is that Jesus? Alright, we gotta go check it out. Oh, it's Mary. That's a Catholic church. It is really one of the coolest little areas. You have all of these little stairs everywhere. Everything is colored, painted. You just walk around and explore. And you see, nod and, pretend you know how to speak Korean. So I don't know where I'm at now. I'm just literally going through these little roads, getting lost in the veins of this little culture district. So this is fun. You got people dressed up in the cultural garb. I've actually come across a couple of different people that are now dressed up like they are. It's really cool. You have a lot of murals. So right there's a beautiful mural of two Asian men holding roses in a very delightful way. You got more over here. You got a cat mural over there. And you have these beautiful oak steps. So here's the Little Prince, and this is where everybody wants to take a picture. Look at this line. Look at that. It's definitely really cool because you have the Little Prince and with the fox kind of overlooking like that whole entire area right there. I see a sign that says T right there. I guess for you guys it says 8. If you guys want an 8, we go down this little alleyway. All right, we're gonna do a tea ceremony up here. We're down there. But up, yeah. She said, where do you want to be? Upstairs or downstairs, guys? Is it you? Upstairs, of course. Alright, so it's the nicest little lady ever. She used to have a big furniture business and too much stress. And 4 years ago, she opened up this little tea shop, bought this little property, and now she just sells tea and little tea trinkets in the cutest little village ever. I love meeting cool people. She's pretty cool. I think we're best friends. Like I think we're best friends. I'm pretty sure. We're gonna like exchange mail at some point. Pen pals, I think. Well, that was awesome. Let's keep exploring. All right, we're gonna go through this cute little. Let's start going through the veins. Start heading down. Okay, as you work your way down these stairs, there's a lot of people. That is a tourist area anyway, so. Oh, look, it looks so angel. Damn, guys. Here's an angel here for you guys. Look at that. Angelic look. But a lot of people going through the veins. Well, specifically this, I chose the tourist route, not the little side ones. I just wanted to see what was here. I regret it now. I have to wait for a lot of people to just pass through. All right, this is called Stairs to See the Stars. It's a lot of steps. It's very interesting how you think, like, how do people live here? I mean, it's gotta be very interesting because it is nonstop tourists. And right there, you just have, like, people living their life and just being here. So we're gonna keep going down these stairs, but it's... Yeah, I mean, these are literally people's houses. There's tourist areas, but that's little alleyways. It says, this is dwelling. You have little alleyways and little gardens right over here. They're probably growing tomatoes or tomatoes or tomatoes, however you guys call them, depending what part of England you're from or America. I wonder how the kids play around here. You go to your neighbor's house, just kind of have a lot of fun here. All right, guys, I found out what the kids do. I found the playground right here. It is huge. That's all the kids get. A workout machine. Let's keep going. This is honestly the coolest place I've ever been. Hopefully there's enough B-roll for you guys to see all this fun stuff. This is literally made with moss. Yeah, this little thing right here. And these little things right here. Look at that. Alright, let's keep going. Gotta find this coffee place. Because it said the craziest place you'll ever meet. I'll do the girlfriend. Grapefruit and citron?
Yeah.
Grapefruit.
Juice.
Juice, yes.
Yeah.
Alright. I got the grapefruit juice because I already had a coffee. But it gives me an excuse to explore this place. Alright, let's explore this. Scary. Let's go downstairs. Ooh.
A few moments later.
It's like a Halloween. Oh my goodness. It's like a Halloween house of some kind.
2,000 years later.
Okay. To get to this whole area. This is a weird coffee shop. Oh wow, that's... I can kill someone. Okay, so that was a unique experience. There's a cat right there. Oh my goodness, there's cats everywhere. So, you have to go to this house of horrors to basically get back out of here. Thank you. Well, that was fun. I feel like I need a bathroom. I guess one of the concerns is going to be how do I get out of here? Because the longer I wait, the longer no taxi's going to pick me up. But it's just so cool. This place is unbelievable. Every single nook and cranny. There's stairs and corners and alleyways. I don't even know where to go. Look at that, another playground. I'm guessing this is a school. Yeah, most likely a school. So, I want to try and find a coffee shop. That's an awesome view. Well, we keep going through these random stairs, and now we're in Cinema Park, or I guess crop anime, because it's backwards to you guys. But I'm at crop anime. Oh my goodness, just hit something. I just saw a black cat, so I believe I'm supposed to follow it up this random hallway. Coffee shop is closed, but I cannot get sick of that view. Wow, that is. Who put that there? That view is unbelievable. So far, my favorite city in South Korea. This little area next to Busan, this little village. It's a cultural village. Proud of the place. Look at my hair. Just got dropped off. Like there's mango signs everywhere. Whatever that thing is. I don't want that in here. So we're trying to find out what's going on here. It's called Sincheng Dong Cafe. Wow, that's pretty cool. They got cool music that you guys aren't allowed to hear. Copyright reasons. But imagine we're like, we'll play some other music. Well, that is so creamy. I mean, don't get me wrong. I definitely feel bad that the kids can't enjoy this. But I also don't feel bad that they can't enjoy this. Is this all for me? So that talk about heavy whipped cream overkill. It's got like a slight vanilla and coconut flavor to it. Little mango crystals on the top. And let's try that bottom section right here. Mix it up a little bit. Found my new favorite dessert. Definitely the heavy clam, but not the ones that got lemon stick. Because that's probably still food poisoning. But I get to enjoy this. I have one happy clam. I just finished up with the coffee shop. Gonna go get some stuff for Emmett. Some white vinegar. He's still feeling a little ill. All right, we just finished up at the grocery. Got some bananas, some apple cider vinegar. And I'm walking out. And then, boom. Someone done left their dog. So, it's cute little puppy. Look at it. I mean, good thing it's not North Korea, because they're going to be gone in a heartbeat. If you know, you know. But that's how safe South Korea is. So I'm going to walk home. I'm going to finish off the night. Hopefully Emmett's feeling better. He's got a little bit of a fever. But today is done. Busan is almost over. Today was a successful day for me. Horrible day for everyone else, I guess. Feel bad for them. On my way back. And then we'll see what tomorrow brings.